How to export citations from Web of Science into EndNote Web. Please make sure you have made an account both with EndNote Web and Web of Science using your university email. It is a good idea to have EndNote open in another tab or window and be signed in, as I have done so here. This way you will be able to easily view your references after exporting them. Accessing Web of Science. To access Web of Science from the Waters Library homepage, select the Database tab in the middle of the screen. In the search box, type in Web of Science and hit Enter or the search key. This will take you to a screen with Web of Science listed. Clicking on Web of Science will take you to the database where you will need to sign in or register if you have not done so. Exporting a citation. Once you are signed in, perform your search. For this example, I will use environmental chemistry. Then select the article you wish to reference. Top right of the article, you'll see the word export. Select that. From the drop-down list, click EndNote Online. You may be prompted to sign into EndNote Web. If so, do so. From here, you will select the information you want to export. I would suggest author, title, source, abstract, or full record to have the most complete citation information. Select the group you wish to send it to. If you have not created groups in your EndNote, unfiled will be what is shown. And then hit export. The reference has now been exported to your EndNote account. To view the reference, log into EndNote and click on My References or the group that you sent it to.